Welcome to the lesson on crop management. Lesson, we will learn about different methods of crop harvesting, importance of storage of the grains, and animal husbandry. Crops are ready now for harvesting. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. The cutting of crop after it is matured is called harvesting. Harvesting in our country is either done manually by sickle or by a machine called harvester. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground. In the harvested crop, the grain seeds need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. In modern days, a machine called combine, which is in fact a combined harvester and thresher, is used for both harvesting and threshing. Farmers with less quantity of crops do the separation of grain and chaff by winnowing. Grains for a longer time, they are properly dried in the sun to reduce the moisture in them. This prevents the attack by insect pests, bacteria and fungi. After drying, the crop grains are stored in jute bags or metallic bins. However, large-scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries to protect them from pests like rats and insects. Dried neem leaves are used for storing food grains at home. For storing large quantities of grains in big godowns, chemical treatments are required to protect them from pests and microorganisms. Fruits and vegetables can be stored in the refrigerated areas in a store. From crop production, which involves a number of steps like sowing of seeds, ploughing, etc. Similarly, food like milk and meat are also obtained from animals, for which animals are reared at home or in farms. Animals have to be provided with proper food, shelter and care. This is called animal husbandry. Cattle farm, sheep farm, goat farm are such examples. Poultry farm is also such an example where birds are reared. In this lesson, you learnt about different methods of crop harvesting, importance of storage of the grains, and animal husbandry.